Oh, hi there. I'm Galen Shively.
Hi, my name is Fatuma Pimba.
Oh, hello. I'm Annalise On.
Hi, I'm Stuart Maxwell.
Hi, my name is Brian Waterman, and we are TimeTo.
Not sure when you and your friends have time in the schedule? Are you tired of sending screenshots of your schedule to your friend just for it to get lost within other pictures? Well, worry no more. Time2 allows users to compare calendars to easily schedule time with friends.
The entirety of the TimeTo project was completed using a remote workflow. We collaborated over Slack, Discord, Google Meet, and VS Code Live Share. Every workday began with a stand-up meeting in which cards from the Scrum board were assigned, and the rest of the day was spent pair programming. To develop our single-page application, we made use of a range of technologies: Java, Spring Boot, JavaScript, a REST API, H2 database, JSON, HTML, and CSS.
You and your friends all lead busy lives. Time2 is here to simplify trying to find time to spend together away from life stresses. Let's see how it works. Each user has a unique username, which they enter on the login screen. This automatically displays the user's calendar for the current month. Users can click on any calendar cell to view that day's events or add new events. This user just got an invitation to a graduation party that starts at 10 p.m. on Friday, April 24th. Let's schedule that in their free time. As users schedule events, the calendar tracks whether they have availability on a given day. Let's look at how a user can compare their schedule to a friend's.
On the compare page, the user's calendar cells are highlighted on days when they have free time. To compare to their friend's schedule, the user first selects a friend's username from their unique friend list, which populates the right calendar with that friend's schedule. From the compare page, the user still has the ability to view the day's events. However, by comparing the highlighted cell, said user can better coordinate their schedule with that friend.
We began developing Time2 by building prototype pages using HTML and CSS to get an idea of what we wanted the final product to look like. As the backend developed, we fleshed out our prototypes into a functioning single-page application using JavaScript. During morning stand-ups over Google Meet or Discord voice chat, we used our Scrum board to prioritize and delegate tasks to our programming pairs for the most efficient development. Proper use of Git flow helped us to avoid merge conflicts and kept our work organized. Simultaneously, on the back end, we built a RESTful API using Java and Spring Boot. Agile methodology and test-driven development were the driving forces behind our development. Our API stores a user's schedule information in an H2 database, while our JavaScript fetches that information and populates our dynamic web page with that user's schedule. As we developed, we used frequent conference calls and regularly switched our pairs to stay in communication and make sure everything functioned cohesively.
One major hurdle we came across was enabling distinct users to interact with their own schedule. None of us had worked with any process like this before, and our initial attempts caused a variety of dependency and initialization errors. Through diligent research on the matter and a fair bit of trial and error, we were able to satisfactorily incorporate this feature.
The move to remote work imposed upon us by COVID 19 presented its share of challenges. Proper communication and following procedures became essential as we learned to work together in a remote setting. We learned to live by the Scrum board, Git branching, agile methodology, and pair programming.
The biggest lesson we learned about development throughout this project is that development continually involves being thrust into the unknown rather than staying within your comfort zone. This was the first time we had developed a project from conception to completion. This gave us the freedom to try new things, but also to make mistakes. Along the way, we encountered many novel problems and stretched ourselves to solve them. Thank you for listening to our presentation.